All right, I want to share with you guys brand new from Fleetwood. It is the Fleetwood Altitude. This is the 550. This is the 30 SB. We're going to go inside and take a look at this, but let me show you the outside real quick. It is a gasser. So looks like you got a couple slide outs on the Ford 550 chassis.
Are there two ACs on this car?
All right, we'll take a look. We usually don't do tours, guys, but when we see something that catches our eye, we like to. It's got two AC units in it, babe. I don't know if these are.
Okay, I got two chairs here, so that means that there is some kind of table somewhere.
So you have a bunk bed set up right here, and of course, anytime you get a bunk set up, if you're not using it, you can convert it to a closet space. But
yeah, this goes up. Yep.
Right. So
okay,
let's swing over here and look at the bathroom. It's a nice,
it's a
decent size bathroom. Check out the shower. Not bad at all. Plenty of room for us. And let's see what we got over here.
Look at this gorgeous hardware. Oh, ho, ho.
And it looks like a three burner stove. Got a convection microwave. Very nice.
Is it convection, or does it also have a, hold on.
It's a convection microwave.
Okay.
You got a nice one pan sink.
This is actually pretty nice. This is a nice size. I like that faucet.
Let's take a look over here.
Let's look in here. We've got decent amount of storage, pantry storage. Okay, that's nice. Did you look at the refrigerator? I think not bad. Because it looks like you have, how do we open this?
Oh, check that out. A nice
That's not bad for freezer.
pull-out freezer.
Yeah. So
Pretty
usually
cool.
the freezer space is very limited, but that's not bad.
And let me tell you something, guys. These ACs are cranking it up. It's cold inside this rig.
It is.
Look at that. Look at that nice living area. Nice TV. Now,
There.
is this some sort of fold out? It doesn't look like it.
But there's storage under there.
It looks like they got some storage under there. Over here is your couch. And that's one of the, what do they call these? I can't think of the name of them right quick.
Stop talking. Murphy.
A Murphy bed. Well, no, this is the Murphy
That's
bed.
the Murphy.
This is the Murphy bed up here, guys.
I can't think of it. Jackknife.
Jackknife. There you go. Way to go, Katrina. So you got your jackknife bed in case you don't want to put the Murphy bed out. I don't know how the Murphy bed works. Here, let's see what happens.
Well, we have
Grab
to
that one.
Put this down first.
Let's do this, guys. We're kind of winging it. So let's put this down. You got it, babe? You want me to get it? You got it?
Something has to move. These would have to come off.
All right, so those come off.
Armrests come off.
So you take the armrest off.
Yeah.
Nope, that's still not right.
Why not?
Oh, okay, there it is. Sweet, look at that. And there's your Murphy bed, guys. Check that out.
Yeah.
That's not bad at all.
Not bad at all. And then you also have the bed up here above the cab. That's great. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could literally get, you could get 2 kids up here. It'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do you get 7 people?
7
kids
people?
Right here?
Right.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Really worked it hard.
We'll put this back up and we will lock this in place.
One here.
Put that back on.
Okay. There we go. All right.
Put the
That's
bed
awesome.
back in place. Jackknife.
Okay.
There it is, and you
then
got
this
your
here, you could put, you have to do this, but yeah, we could put this.
got some storage up here, and there's the cab. Really nice. Plenty of room. I'm digging this, man. I am thinking this is a nice.
There's got to be somewhere to do. They have extra chairs. Where are the chairs?
Well, we got a table set up here somewhere.
That's what it is. Okay.
So we have a table set up. We don't know where. This is a slide out right here, guys. This is a slide out.
Here it is.
This is one large slide out right over here. One large slide out.
There we go. So if we had the pole in there, that's not bad.
So it's a nice little dinette area.
And that's where you have the extra 2 chairs in the back.
In the back to set up around here.
Yes.
So you guys would be sitting here and the extra 2 chairs. So you can get 5, 6 people easy around the dinette area.
Yeah.
So pretty awesome. Now I don't know about the specs on this in terms of the batteries and all that other stuff. You got your control panel over here. What do you have up here? Some more storage. So that is the which one is this once again?
The Altitude FS 550.
It's the 30 SB.
Oh.
What's up, guys? How you doing? So let's go over here and take a look. Let's take a look at the 550 30 WM. This one is set up a little bit different. These are brand new from Fleetwood, brand new.
And they're going to have another model. These are gassers. They're going to have another model coming out for the Tampa show that's actually the diesel pusher. So I think
now this is without the bunk, so you get a lot of storage over here.
Right. So it's going to be the same floor plan, but with a different layout or different floor plan, whatever. So bathroom's pretty much the same.
Same thing. Yep.
Same closet space, the extra chairs. Now we just have a whole bunch of storage. Which I think, honestly, I prefer the bunks because we would get more use out of them and we still have storage if we needed
That's
it.
because we got the kids.
Right. I'm saying, oh, look at this. It's a nice little pantry.
Pantry pull out.
Yeah.
It's pretty sweet.
It's locked, but I think it pulls out the same way.
Let's see so. There you go. Okay. So
It just
pull them out one at a time. Got to just give it a good little tug. That's still nice storage you got right there.
This is actually a pretty new color. This is almost like a slate gray bluish color.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
So you got the same refrigerator set up, more storage here. Looks like it's set up. Now this one's a little bit different in that over here looks more like a, you want to pull the table area?
Workstation area.
Just release the two blue latches, pull them up and pull. There you go. So you have a work area.
Yeah. And then you have the 2 chairs that it comes with in the back again. Yeah, it's very nice.
So once again, keep in mind this is different. Obviously, you don't have as many spaces for people to sleep, and it's more of a workstation setup with some more storage. And I got to tell you, I think this this layout, this setup is pretty nice for a Class C RV. Mm-hmm. This would be perfect to take on boondock trips and out to Alaska. Perfect.
Oh, this would be
Plenty of
amazing.
space. And once again, this entire setup here is one slide out. I'll run outside and show you what you got. And then you have the other slide out right over here. And it's on the Ford chassis, the 550 Ford chassis. Let me see if I can jump over here on the other side. I'll squeeze in between here so that you guys can see the slide out over there. There she is. So, and I'm digging the color. I like the I don't know if you call that gray, what color it is. I'm liking the color. Very nice. So that's a quick bit overview of the new Fleetwood Altitude 550. All right, guys, coming live to you, or not live, but coming to you from the Hershey RV Show.